In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Basketball Zero on a PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I have a controller connected to Roblox on my PC. And I'm going to be talking about how you can essentially play the game on a PlayStation 5. So even though I am recording this video on my PC, you can follow along directly on your console, and you will be able to join and play. When you highlight the experience after using the search function and looking for Basketball Zero, you will be able to join. You can join either a public or private server. I will be using a private server to record this video because it is easier for me to get high quality footage, but you can join a public server. Thankfully, all of the buttons on Basketball Zero will be changed when you join the experience using a controller. So when you join and you get inside of a match, or while you are in the lobby, you will see all of the buttons needed to navigate through the menus and do specific actions. When you start, press the share button or start, depending on the controller that you are using, so you have access to this cursor and then you can navigate through all of the options. You can walk around with the left joystick, move your camera with the right joystick, and you can browse through all of the options, styles, zones, you can go into your locker, and so on. If you don't see this cursor, remember to press either start or share. Then when you go into play, you can choose which side of the court you want to join, and you can start playing right away. As you can see at the bottom right corner of the screen, all of the buttons that I need to press will appear, so I can dunk with left bumper, dribble with the right bumper, steal with right bumper, pass with left trigger, and so on. I am using an Xbox controller on my PC, but of course, when you join the experience on a PlayStation 5, the buttons will change to the PlayStation layout. So you will see square, triangle, circle, X, and so on. And you can start playing right away. Sadly, I cannot showcase too much gameplay because I am on a private server all by myself, but you can see that everything works. All of the buttons will be assigned to specific actions, and you can just follow the instructions to play. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.